Hey, it's Jeremy from Cranbrook Dodge. Thank you for your interest in the 15 Power Wagon. Just wanted to shoot you a short video so that you could look at the inside. Now, of course, these are very off-road capable with the sway bar, disconnect, and rear lock, and so forth. But what I wanted to show you also was the technological features that it has. It does have hands-free Bluetooth calling. It's got tilt steering, audio controls on the back of the steering. And it also does have power adjustable driver's seat, along with the heated seats and heated steering and so forth. Uconnect 8.4 system there, including a backup camera, trailer brake control, and so on. Great truck, great value. Love to show it to you in person and have you take it for a spin. My name is Jeremy, and I'd like to help you out get into this new truck any way I can. Thanks.